Hey guys, welcome back. I got sent a Sea Eagle 380X inflatable kayak. Super excited and thankful to them. Before I get into the review, check this out. I want to show you guys how durable this is. I pulled this from their YouTube page where the guy hit it with a hammer. And then he flips it around. He hits it with the back of the hammer. Tosses in a cinder block. Now this cinder block would have ripped apart most other kayaks for sure. And the fact that he was driving over it with a Jeep, pretty amazing. So this thing has some incredible durability. Right when you get it out of the box and you start grabbing it, it's just iron, it's rock solid. I mean, this thing is really, really firm. None of this is chintzy, none of this is gonna fall apart. It's very well built. This reminds me truly of something that the military would use, or the Navy SEALs. So we've got the hand holds on the front. We've got a very tough bungee cord. Love this. The way you fill it up is just like the Intex. I love these little pin methods. It's just really easy to get the air in, get the air out, lock it in. It's very obvious what you're doing. Now this is a heavy beast, I will let you know. Do not plan to walk too far with this. If you planned on hiking with it, it's going to be some weight. This is definitely a heavy beast. Also comes with the foot pump. You can use that with your arms, you can use it with your legs. You just cinch in the air hose, start pumping away. I actually like using my arms better than my feet. And just like the Intex, there's an inflation hole on the left and right sides and the bottom. Just really firm material, you guys. I can't tell you enough how firm and tough this thing is. Now this is even ready for a river. It's whitewater ready. So this is definitely a professional inflatable kayak. This isn't something that just is going to leave you stranded high and dry. You can see it's rated for even 3 people, up to 750 pounds. Tons of weight you could put in here. Great for backpacking adventures. Everything is just really on here. I mean, this is just on here. This is not coming off anytime soon. There's straps on the bottom so you can kind of tighten up the bottom floor pad. And then these holes you keep seeing, that's where the water can flow if you were choosing to do some white water. So here you can just unscrew this, and that will make it so a little bit of water actually flows in, which is normal for white water. Again, the bungee is really firm. These are not bungees that are going to pop and snap on you. Real thick, industrial, professional, ready for expeditions. Just a night and day difference between the other inflatables that I've been in. Night and day. This truly feels like this is something that is worth its price. And here we have the seats. The seats are, again, super high quality, very high backing, and they cinch on in about 4 different places, which I'll show you in a second. Now, they are firm, but soft and comfortable. If anything, if you're a larger person, you're really going to like these seats. They're just incredibly supportive, and like I said, instead of going on in 2 places, they actually connect on to 4 different spots. Really high backing too, so if you're tall, or if you just like a high backing, really need that back support, kind of like I do, you'll really enjoy these seats. Much higher quality than I expected, and I also like that they're not inflatable as well. On the back, you can see you also cinch down the seats, lock it into place, and it really kind of just fixes the seat right there. Big, huge compartments that can hold up to a few different Nalgene bottles. And just really comfy, no complaints, feels great. This was one of the things that I was most impressed with, was when I saw them throwing stuff at it, I was like, screw it, I'll just jump on it a little bit and see what it's like. And I can absolutely tell you this would have blew up the Intex that I was in. So well done, you guys, amazing. I did not feel like I was doing anything I shouldn't have been on this. It just felt awesome. I couldn't believe that I was jumping in a kayak and didn't feel like I was about to pop it. Amazingly well done. Now, I didn't get a lot of great footage of the kayak in the water, but it's a kayak in the water. I highly recommend it. The inflatable feeling went away a tiny bit because this one's a little bit heavier than most kayaks. But other than that, it was, it performed like an inflatable kayak, but just a little bit smoother. I highly recommend it. I'm going to be taking out on some longer trips here, so look forward to those, you guys. And yeah, just a really awesome purchase. And it does come with the paddles as well that I did not show, unfortunately. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. I want to show you one last thing. This is what the bag looks like. And so I'm just going to kind of let this video roll in real time. And the bag is unique and different. It's not a traditional bag. You kind of unloosen some straps, and then you slide the bag in, and then you tighten the straps back over it. So if you're familiar with like backpacking bags and stuff, this is all going to be really familiar to you guys, and you won't have any problems with it. I actually kind of prefer this to the traditional stuff it back in type bag. So again, no complaints on the bag, no complaints on anything. This is industrial grade, military grade stuff. Highly recommended. Again, it does come with 2 paddles. No complaints on the paddles or anything. Really want to thank Sea Eagle for sending this out. Really an awesome piece of gear, and I hope you guys will be seeing it here in the near future on some lakes. I had planned to go up Ross Lake here this summer on a big long adventure, but they actually closed the lake due to water level, so I'm trying to find another long distance camping lake to go down. So look forward to that into the future. We're going to do some long distance kind of multi-day kayaking trips, overnights, fishing adventures and stuff. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch this, you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.